In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on your screen. So the first step is just go to your settings. After you're on your settings, navigate to notifications, and after you're there, you'll need to search for WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp, and you need to make sure that you've allowed notification for WhatsApp. After you've done that, you'll need to just make sure that you've turned on WhatsApp's notification, you've turned on its sound, you've turned on its badges, and everything. So after you do that, you can even go to WhatsApp notifications. So after you're on WhatsApp notification settings, just turn everything on. So after you've turned everything on and done everything, you should be getting the WhatsApp call on your screen. So now what you can do next is go to your app store and search for WhatsApp. Now we are doing this to see if there is an update available. So there you go, there's an update available. Tap on update, and if there is a problem, and if you still don't get the incoming call on your WhatsApp, updating it will fix the problem and you'll start getting the call. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.